open house here at what's the address? 399 Maud, I think.
Sunnyvale.
Sunnyvale. Oh yes, at the corner of Maud and Sunnyvale. Sunnyvale and Maud. Here, augmented reality. Check it out. Hopefully it's kind of filmable, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that. Front. Cute little house.
Actually, how many bathrooms do you need?
2 or 2.5.
Two, no? But this is too big for it.
This is
Three bedrooms, two baths.
3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Okay, yeah. I mean, we need 3 bedrooms.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's really hard to mention, and I look over the together. Yeah, and maybe
Look at my booties. What are these blinds called again? Is it Venetian blinds?
They're called blinds.
No, but there's a name to it, no? No, crawl space. It's a corner lot with a little bit of a triangular lot, backyard. Oops.
I don't like the la.
Check the last one.
That's okay. We'll check back if it doesn't.
Sorry. Not right now. No taco for me. Banco Azteca. Walking towards a lover. Oh, you can do you can yeah, haircut, but not just haircut. It's hair coloring. Oh, the school is shaping up.
Oh, pretty good.
Which school is this?
Maybe we shop?
Oh yeah, I think so. Looks nice. Looks nice. Almost there at Fur Lovers. 253. What's the street name?
Huh?
Maud.
It has a pass.
Welcome. Please wait to be seated.
Oh, there's a...
Now let's look at the sign here. Look, there's a heart-shaped scallion right there. It's a Fur Lover. And my bowl of soup, large size with meat on the side. The beef steak, I guess. No.
Cooking.
And then
Bean sprouts.
garnishes, and then we got extra lime and bean sprouts.
Cook your meat.
Cook the meat first. All right, I'll dunk it in, and oh, there I even get
Get service.
service on the meat dunking. Okay, it's not a lot of meat, but it looks really nice. Okay, cool. Catch you later. Goodbye. So the house we see is just across the street of it's a kind of T-junction, and it's on the curve side, and I guess has a big garage. Are we gonna cross? I don't think we should cross. Okay, let's cross. All right, so big garage. It's a garage that currently contains a washer dryer and a little desk. All right. Oh, right. And this is the entrance to the small yard.